I got it. Alright everyone, let's open the 3 packs. So actually these are the 3 variants, pero meron 9 variants ng Uno cards. Yung mga Naruto cards available siya sa ibang countries, pero ito yung dalawang variant each. So we have My Hero Academia regular Uno, Uno na My Hero Academia All Wild, and Uno Flip. Tapos meron silang another set of these. Kumuha muna ako initially, so let's check. First, let's check yung Uno na cards. So yeah, I think these are the regular cards. Diba? Ang ganda niya, oh. For a Happy Meal, diba? Cool. It has all the designs. Tenya and the heroes. Yan, All Might. Tapos ang gaganda, oh. Tapos yung sa meron silang holo card. And you also have these instruction manual, so you know how to play it. Kasi magkaiba yung wild sa flip. Okay, so ihiwalay muna natin yan. Then we have the flip. Buksan natin yung flip. For the flip, ayan, so may holo card din, All Might. I love the holo. Tapos yan, Deku, o diba, puro color. Yan, Deku, Tenya, Ochako, All Might din, Bakugo, okay, Todoroki. Kasi you can scan for an Uno game. Tapos we also have the Uno Flip by Spy Family. Oh, ang nice. I love the holo on this one. We have Anya and her friends. Ang cute, oh. Complete talaga sila lahat. Tapos yung mascots. Love the art so much. Ang ganda nito. Sobrang worth it. As in. Tapos complete pa yung colors. And instruction manual. So make sure to get yours,